How's it going, everybody? Rory from Rory's Alarms. And tonight, we're gonna piss the neighbors off. That's right, because what they did to me is those motherfuckers discriminated me, lied about me, and slandered me for no reason. And also, I think it's about time we get a little revenge on these motherfuckers. So, without further ado, we are gonna arm this thing and go out the door here. Now, there is a 45-second delay, but that should be enough time for us to do this. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. We're gonna quick armor tonight, pound 7 as usual. Okay, it's time telling me to get the hell out of here. So we're gonna go out the garage door here. Wait for it to open. And excuse my language, you know, I don't like the way someone lied about me and slandered me, so we're gonna get a little revenge. As you can see, it's dusk out, so we are gonna just walk around the yard here, get the gate open, and we're gonna trip this thing now. So, get the gate open. We, any second now, should be armed, so. Just listen to it. Yeah, it's not nice when you accuse somebody of something you never did, so that's just a teaching tool for you guys. If you guys ever get accused of this, just, if you want to get revenge, do whatever you want. I mean, it's not cool being accused of something, so that's the tip I'm going to give you guys. It's not cool at all. It's wrong on so many levels. So I think it's armed now, so I'm going to open this window. Of course, I have it unlocked, so I can do this, not break in. Here we go. Okay, and it shows what zone went into alarm, and according to my descriptors it says alarm bolt zone, so to completely shut it off you use your 4 digits. So just to completely reset again, use your 4 digits. And it says the system is not ready because the garage window's open, so I gotta go outside and shut that window. So I guess you can call this part 2 of the Honeywell Vista 20p system test in the entire series, / pissing off the neighbors. So anyway, I'll let you know when I have more videos in the future. I'm not finished with them yet, so there's many more videos to come, so have a good night, guys. Bye.